What is up, Queendom crew? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, make sure that you click that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you can join this fabulous queendom. If you want to know about this protective 3-in-1 style that I achieved in 20 minutes, make sure you keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start by showing you guys how I even achieved the beginning of this look. So I used some old braids that I had up under my wig, child, and I decided to spruce it up, take a break from my wigs, and that's how I established this style. So basically I have about 5 cornrows in the back of my head. The 2 that were on each side I undid, moisturized, and gelled down into the 2 buns that you see. And this hair that I'm using is from Fashion Idol, you guys. They are on Amazon. I have the link to everything in the description. But when I tell you this hair is so worth the price, like, one, I got some eyelashes, which was popping. I got the crochet hook, so I didn't even have to go and buy it. But the hair is really thick and it's really soft. And I love how it's like an ombre almost. It starts with a darker color and goes into a light brown. So I have this little zigzag part also just to make it a little spicy. And here I'm just showing you how I crocheted the hair into my cornrows. Now, if you don't know how to crochet, I do have a video on crocheting and I'll link that above. I'm not going to show you too many of that because I already have a separate video for it. But what I did is crochet all of the back. And once I did that, I went ahead and started to crochet the hair onto 2 hair bows. Now these hair bows are just regular, I think they're Goodies hair bows. Super basic. All I did was loop the crochet hair into the hair bow just like I would into the braid. Now if you have trouble doing this by hand, then you can use the crochet needle. I just used it by hand because I've crocheted so many times it's like nothing at this point. But the hair is very thick, so if you want to do only like 3 braids in the back or 4 braids and you have, you know, a smaller head, you can do that. I have a bigger head, so I had to do 5 braids just so it would cover majority of the back of my head, but it is a preference. So the crocheting really didn't take me long at all. And following the crocheting, I went on to style my buns. Now this is my first style that I did with this protective style. I used the space buns. I did use gel to slick down my hair and my edges, and I kept the satin cap on it and allowed that to lay down. And from there, I attached the hair bow with the buns. And what I did was I attached the hair bow as if it was a ponytail onto the buns, and from there I just wrapped the faux locks around. And the great thing about this hair is that it's adhesive to itself. Now for style number 2, this one is a top knot bun, and basically I slicked my hair down just like I did for the space buns, but I did it in 1 bun in the center top of my head. So from there I laid my edges, and I used the same hair bow that I attached the crochet hair from before. So I'm using the same method, but this time I'm only doing it on 1 bun. So just depending on how you want your bun to look, you can play around with it and decide how you want yours to sit. I wanted mine to be super big, and so that's why it looks the way it does. And then again, I'm just wrapping and combining that end pieces of the faux locks with the bun. So here I use some Shine Spray, which is my favorite spray for my protective styles, and that's what it looks like. So this is just a little something extra that I did. I was able to do a smaller bun and leave some hair on the side, which was super cute. And I also was able to do 1 more style. So it's kind of like a 4-in-1. You could probably even get more styles out of this. These are just the ones that I found. on to the last style. This one is really cute, guys. I really like this one. So I'm taking the same hair that I put on before, and I'm basically making like a side ponytail. Now you can either do a side ponytail and bobby pin that hair down so it stays in place and doesn't reveal your bun underneath, or you can flip it to the back, which is what I'm going to show you, and you can secure that in place and make a backwards ponytail. This backwards ponytail I feel like is really elegant, and it's honestly my favorite style. And there you have it. 3-in-1 20-minute protective style. Make sure you guys keep watching so I can give you all the details on where you can get the style and etc. So this hair is faux loc crochet braids, and they have the curl at the bottom. This hair goes a little bit past my bust, so I would say about 20 inches long, and it is an ombre color. So it starts with this probably about a 4 into a light brown, and that light brown carries on through these curls. So this protective style that I did is just a little twist on crocheting. I didn't want to do just basic crochet braids, so I decided to do something different. This hair is by Fashion Idol Hair. You can purchase this hair through their website or through Amazon.com, and I will leave the link to all of that below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know if you liked any of these styles, and please let me know which one is your favorite. Comment below and let me know if 1, 2, or 3 is your favorite style in this 3-in-1 protective. Hopefully this helps you save some coins and slay. Make sure you click subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!